So now we're going to do the two pom-poms. Slightly different technique than it is for the single pom-pom. So we're just going to break this down. Let's just look at the have two going that way and two going that way. So 2 arms and 2 legs. And so when you bring that to the hat, those 2 legs will be at the back and those 2 arms will be at the front. Now taking those 2 arms, let's take the first, let's take the one on the left, and that will go into that point just to the right of center. So just bring that in there, and then you're looking for the second arm, and the second arm will go on the front on the edge. And just pull that string through. Then what you need to do is just turn that over, and you're looking for the 2 legs on the back. So thread up that one. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into that part, that's with that leg, and then the second leg we're going to put it on this side. And just pull it through. Then flick it inside out, and this is where you actually judge whether you've got it evenly or not. So you seem to have that is quite even there, that's quite even there, that's quite even there, and that. So that looks like it's a goer. So what you need to do is just tie that loosely together. Don't tie it right away in a knot until we assess whether we have got it correct. So that's just on a very loose tie. And then what you're going to do now is go and proceed to do it on the other side. And they look like they're in the right place for a little kid. Okay, what you then proceed to do is then tie them really tight. I would borrow a finger. I just don't have a finger, an extra finger right now. So tie that really, really, really tight. And then you do a double knot on it. I'm just going to wait to a finger, but what you do is you get a finger and you basically tie it really tight. So that's your 2 pom-poms on your little SarahMo hat.